guys, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with Manny and Lola for May 2018. If you haven't seen any of my other Manny and Lola boxes, I will link it down below for you because I think I've got them in a playlist now. And I have actually reviewed every box that has ever come out from Manny and Lola since they launched last November. It's a nail care and nail polish subscription service, and like I say, I'll link the website and my other playlist down below in case you want to see anything else. So let's get on into the box itself. They always list things in an order of like 1 to 6. I think we have 6 products today, so I will go through them in that order. When the box arrived this month, I did think it was particularly heavy when I felt it, and there's a couple of larger items in here, so it makes sense. The first item is actually not a nail care item, and this is by Nails Inc, and this is called the Incredible Face Mask. Incredible. Get it? Incredible. And it makes you look like a unicorn when you have it on. They're saying this retails for £5, and it's an illuminating face mask by Nails Inc. So Nails Inc do other items other than nail polish, which is a bit weird. They still call it Nails Inc even though it is not nail polish. Is it a bit strange to see a face mask in a nail care box? A little. I'm going to use it. I'm looking forward to looking like a unicorn. Just thought it was a little strange, that's all. So that is item number 1. Anybody who knows me knows I love exfoliating products, and number 2 is the Kukio Body Butter and Scrub 2-in-1 combo. So this it looks in the picture it's like a lavendery one, but I've got the milk and honey exfoliant, so it's something you can use on your hands, obviously, because Kukio is a nail care item, but I'm guessing you can also use it all over your body too. I really love exfoliating my hands and my whole body, so I will use that very easily, very nicely, and they're saying that this retails for £13, so I like that one. We then have 4 full-size nail polishes. The first one listed here is by Butter London, and this is called Fancy. I'm going to take that shiny cap off because it's going to distract the camera if I can have the strength to pull it off. So Butter London's retail for £15, and that is standard how much they cost. They are one of the most expensive brands here in the UK, and you don't tend to find them on sale that much. There was a phase they would always be in TK Maxx, but I really haven't seen any for a long time now. So like I said, this one is called Fancy, and it's kind of a brightish purple. There's a little bit of grey undertones in there, but it's definitely not a dark colour, and it's just kind of like a greyish musky purple to me. So that one there was Fancy, and you should have hopefully seen a swatch pop up. Item number 4 is by Morgan Taylor, and this is called Rule the Runway. Yes, Rule the Runway. And this is a taupey putty grey colour. There's also a little bit of purple in there, so when you put these two together, you can definitely see the grey undertones in it. The only Morgan Taylors I've ever got have been through subscription services, although I do know where I can get them if I wanted to. They're saying these retail for £11, and when I see them on sale in Sally's, that is how much they tend to be. So like that said, that one was Rule the Runway. The third polish was my favourite for this month, and it is by Jessica, and it is called Boho Babes. Now, when I first got this out, I was like, where have I seen that colour before? Who has done that colour? Because I knew instantly that it was a colour that I loved and that I owned. And I've finally worked it out after having this box for a couple of days. One of my favourite polishes, like I think it was of last year, was by an indie brand, a UK indie brand, Princess Nail Lacquer, and she released a colour like this, but it was called Birthday Bear, and this is exactly the same colour. So if Princess Nail Lacquer doesn't exist anymore, but if you ever heard me talk about Birthday Bear, this is the colour that it is. It's a very nice wearable yellowy orange pastel. When I look at this, some people might think it's going to be too bright or too much of a strange colour to put on your nails, but I just found it looked bright and different but inoffensive, and not particularly eye-catching. People weren't looking at my nails and going, oh my god, you've got yellow nail polish on, that's weird, which some of my colleagues at work do to me. I just found it was a very nice flattering colour, and my first Jessica polish. So that one there was Boho Babe. The last polish is the one that they teased to us that was coming. They showed like a top picture of some light blue polishes, and this is It's a Boy by OPI. I do have this one already, and this is in the new packaging, obviously. This came out in the Soft Shades release for 2016, I want to say, and it's a beautiful light baby blue pastel. So like I say, I do already have that one, and they're saying that OPI retails for £12.50. So those are the 6 items in this month's Manny and Lola box. Last month I did say that I was a bit disappointed disappointed with the colour palette. This month I'm enjoying it more, but it's still not really what I would have thought of for a traditional spring. And maybe they're trying to be a little bit different and not give us those obvious colours, because to me these two are very much classic spring and these two are something a little bit different. Maybe the purple you would wear for spring. I don't know. Everybody wears whatever they want. I'm not technically a seasonal nail polish wearer that often, but that's why when I review these boxes I look at them from that point of view. If I was wearing only seasonal appropriate nails, would I like this or not? And I'm not sure. Again, value for money is amazing. That has been a consistent statement that I've said every single video. When you add these items up, they are way in excess of how much you are paying, so I can never complain about that. Some people are going to love the colours, some people aren't. That's the choice and the risk you take with these boxes. Now before I go, the last thing is that Manny and Lola are now going to be shipping internationally. So if you want to know the prices and how much it would be to have it shipped to your country, the information is on the website and on their Instagram page. So new and exciting for all you guys who've been watching these videos for months and thinking that I'm teasing you because you can't get them where you are. Hopefully your country will be on one of the list of places they are now shipping to. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you thought of this month's box, and I will see you soon.